Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to perform Flair Rainbow trick. To perform Flair Rainbow trick, while you are running to the right side, press and hold L1 and then push right analog left right. If you are running to the left side, do the same thing, but in opposite. If you are running to the top, push analog downwards and upwards. If you are running downwards, push it down upwards and downwards. Unfortunately, it works best while running to the opposite team goalpost. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.